If you want to go from this to this, stay tuned. What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to unlock your natural curl pattern. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first, I'm going to start by rinsing my hair with warm water. So now I'm coming in with my Herbal Care conditioner and I'm going to get my unbrush. All these products are going to be listed down in the description on my Amazon store. So boom, I'm going to apply the conditioner and make sure it's evenly saturated around my hair. Make sure to get the back too, don't leave any spots. So right now what I'm doing is I'm finger detangling before I come in with the unbrush, so that way I can get the knots to just loosen up a bit before I come in with the unbrush. Just an easier process. So now I got the unbrush and I'm just taking a section just like so and just detangling. And I'm going to repeat this process around the whole head. It shouldn't take long. This unbrush is amazing. Bro, like look at this. I don't know what I was shaking there, but you get the gist. Now you guys might think the back will be a little bit harder, but it's actually not. I'm just repeating the same process. I'm using my hand up there up the top just to separate it and just get a good section so I can detangle. I'm also holding the hair like this. So after you guys are done detangling, this is what it should look like. I feel like my hair grew, y'all. Let me know down in the comments. It's past my eye, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So I'm gonna rinse this conditioner out and come back to you guys. So right here, I'm just scrunching out my hair so I can get all the water out. This will be a link in the description. This is the best gel, I promise you guys. So I'm gonna be using this motion. I'm gonna apply it in my hair and go this motion and go in the back like that. It may sound confusing, but just let me cook, watch, just look. So just follow like this and just kind of mess it around and shake your hair. As you can see, it's forming pretty well. So right here, I'm applying gel in the front and I'm just using the tips of my fingers to just rake it in. And doing that helps form the curls. And all I'm doing is just applying and shaking my hair, just applying and shaking my hair, just to get movement in it and just get the curls to show everywhere. So right now, what I'm gonna do is just grab a spray bottle. And this is the method, guys. Like after I'm done putting the gel, I'm gonna spray my hair with some water and then just shake it up a bit. And then it gives it like the wet look, the wet curls look. So I'm pretty much done here. I'm just gonna wipe the corners of my face and the gel off everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in a sec when it's dry. But here's the back and the sides. Yo, tell me my hair got long. My hair got long, don't lie. But yeah. So this is my hair after like 30 minutes. If you guys found this helpful, let me know down in the comments below if it worked. And let me know if I should make more videos like these. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.